Hi guys, this is Swati and you're watching me on Discover the Magic Within. In my last video, where I shared something about music and manifestation, how music can help you heal, how it's like a therapy, and it has really a great healing impact on your state of mind, and you can really manifest very fast using music. So somebody below the video just commented asking, can you just share your playlist, which you call it as a good vibe playlist. So yes, I'll be sharing a few songs here. See, it actually depends on the mood. Normally in the morning I do have a very spiritual vibe, so I choose very spiritual songs. Like I love to listen to Adharam Madhuram. If you would have heard this is a it's like a bhajan. It's a very devotional and a very pure, beautiful song. Adharam Madhuram. That's one song which I hear in loops in the morning. The other one is this truly connects to me, to how do I see myself in the spiritual journey. So the song is तुम साथ हो जो मेरे किस चीज की कमी है. It's awesome. It makes you connect. It makes you like you are always with the divine, and he is accompanying you in this life's journey, and it makes you feel so serene, so divine, and so loved, as if he's your beloved. And it's a very beautiful feeling, I can't tell you. Also a feeling of surrendering yourself in this life is what this song makes me feel. Then there's the song, what I call it as a perfect love, a true love. This song really gives you that vibe, and I totally love this. I really love this. It is तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मन मीत हो, कान्हा मेरी मन मीत हो. When you listen to the complete song, it gives you what really love is, and each and every one, what unconditional love is, and how a true love, a pure love, a perfect love of the golden age, Satyug ka wo jo pyar hoga na, it gives you that feeling. So it's really very touching. And then there are many similar songs of that kind. So this is what my morning songs playlist includes. And coming to some English songs. In English songs, the top one, which I really love, is very close to my heart, is the song from Christina Perry. It is I love you for 1,000 more. Oh my god, you're gonna feel in love. You're gonna fall in love with the song. And there's another song, Perfect by Ed Sheeran. It is awesome. And it speaks about I met a girl, so na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, I don't remember the lyrics very clearly. So this is a song. It's very beautiful. If you have that feeling of love and you want to feel more loved, so this can be really helpful. And the other song you can search for is I Want You. You can just directly search, right, I Want You, and you will get to that song. It's beautiful. And coming to Hindi songs, some songs that are really, I'm very picky, but of course everybody will have their own choice, their own taste, and so on. But of course you all can share your own choices in the comment section, and even if you really like any one of these songs and it's also your favorite, you can also let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear it from you. Now coming to another song, it's from Tal. Nahi samne ये अलग बात है, नहीं सामने ये अलग बात है, मेरे पास है तू. Oh, this is another level, guys. If you listen to this, it's so beautiful. The way love is described in these songs. Then there's one song from Masakali, I think so. Is it the name? Is it the right name? I don't remember. रहना तू है जैसा तू, थोड़ा सा दर्द तू, थोड़ा सुकून, थोड़ा सा रेशम तू हमदम, थोड़ा सा खुरदुरा, कभी तो अड़ जाए या लड़ जाए या खुशबू से भरा, तुझे बदलना न चाहूं रत्ती भर भी सनम, बिना सजावट मिलावट, न ज्यादा ना ही कम, तुझे चाहूं जैसा है तू. See, I mean, when I just start, I can't stop. This is my love for songs and special songs, of course. I'm really crazy about music, okay? Because the effect that it has on your soul, I think nothing has that deep healing. It's like a very deep healing therapy for me. It works for me every time. Whenever you're feeling low, you can listen to a kind of music that really uplifts your mind. You can use any of these songs. Especially what I was talking about in the last video was that whenever you want to actually attract something that is actually love relationship or something, you should only listen to songs that speak about togetherness, about mutual love, about unconditional love, about love, support, faith, and all those emotions. Only then can you really get into that feeling, embody that feeling, and attract that kind of love. And what else? What else? What else? Okay, it depends on my mood. Like if I'm feeling quite low and I really want to feel instantly good about myself, I don't have anything to do, so I'll listen to any song, any song. I mean to say, I do not understand the lyrics. Like some songs are there, no? I mean, it should just give you that kick, it should just ignite that passion back into you, and you just feel like grooving. So some songs are just without any meaning. I don't know the meaning actually. Of course, they do have some meaning, but personally, I don't know, and I just still listen to them. And there's another song, somewhat of this kind. Whenever I want to really enjoy, I want to dance, then I listen to songs like मारो मन मोह ही गयो ना 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 na 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 na. Oh, I'm not that good. Anyways, thank you so much. This is all what I listened to. I would have missed something. No, I don't think so. I tried my best. These are mainly the songs that really take me to a high vibe and that really give me a very good feel about myself. Of course, there's another song also. I often listen is, I'm just missing on something very important. My favorite song that really connects deeply to me. Of course, females will connect to this song. This one is वो रुकती नहीं है, वो झुकती नहीं है, पैसे आगे झुकती होगी अप्सरा, रानी झुकती नहीं है, उसे कभी मैंने भीड़ में ना देखा, वो रहती किनारों पे, वो चमकीली चीजों पे क्या मरेगी, जो खुद है सितारों में. Oh, that one is for all the beautiful ladies and girls watching out. And this is really, really coming from my heart to every one of you, because each girl, each woman is special, I believe. And this is something that really honors our femininity, and that's why I feel very connected to this song. So that's all I had to share. Of course, you all can share your own songs. I would love to hear you in the comment section, and do let me know how did you like about today's video. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.